Hi Aries, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for March 2022. Like always, I will use tarot and I'll also rely on some oracle decks that I have here. Let's just get down to your reading, Aries. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March 2022, we have the Hermit card. Possibly, you were gaining insight. Also, I believe that your responsibilities had increased. Maybe the work pressure was telling on you or it was taking a toll on you. I think in personal relationships, you may have felt that there were disagreements which could have been avoided. Perhaps your family members may also have felt that you were imagining things or you were taking things too hard. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that March is going to present for Aries worldwide is the Ace of Wands. Most certainly, Aries, I think you desire newness, you want to move forward. I think because it is in the challenge position, so you should take everything with a pinch of salt. Maybe there are going to be job opportunities. You do get the support from others, but then, like I said, you should read between the lines. You shouldn't fall prey or take everything at face value. You should delve deeper. Influences for this month, we have the Emperor card. This is your energy, Aries. The Emperor, as you know, is ruled by Aries, and you're going to be someone who is going to be in control of situations. This could especially be true if you collaborate and cooperate with others. I think you shouldn't let ego come in the way because the Emperor is someone who thinks that it's his way or the highway. That is why you should be mindful of the same. Aries, in the month of March, I'm also picking up that there could be some health concerns. For some of you, this is the best time if you want to learn or you want to improve on your skill set. Besides, I think your talents will also be appreciated at work. Maybe people will realize that you have told the truth or that you have been spot on when it comes to suggestions. The first 10 days of March, we have the Hangman. You see this person, he is hanging upside down. So maybe there are going to be situations where you find yourself that you're sacrificing yourself or you find yourself challenged. Incidentally, the first 10 days is also going to be marked by work pressure. Maybe you should seek assistance from others, like the Emperor card, which is asking you to cooperate here. I think you need to be ready for the grind. You need to get down to business. Maybe you're also somebody who needs to adjust your schedule and prioritize. In your quest to achieve your ends, you may overlook the details, tendency to rush headlong. So don't overlook the fine print. Nevertheless, I think Aries, this is a time when you will make professional gains. Maybe mentally and physically, you may be a bit down and out, or your health could be affected because of the same. So you need to take sufficient rest in these first 10 days. 11th to 20th March, we have the Six of Swords here. A flexible approach or a flexible attitude is going to do you wonders at this time. Sometimes you could be undecided or you may be wondering whether you should proceed or not. But this is the card which is asking you to be ready because at the last minute or at the 11th hour, everything will fall in place. Sometimes, we lack the energy or the drive, but then you need to push yourself. This is a travel card, Aries, so you will be up and about. Responsibilities will also increase at this time. I think the need here is to be patient with others. Maybe there are family members who are indisposed. Another thing, Aries, you may be meeting up with people, you will enjoy good food. Official paperwork or technical work is also going to keep you busy this month. The final days of March, we have the Eight of Pentacles here, that is between 21st to 31st March. This Eight of Pentacles is asking you to get down and work with your hands. Like I said, paperwork or technical work will keep you busy. This lady, she seems to be busy with artistic venture. So maybe your creative skills are going to be appreciated at this time. Throughout the month, I'm picking up that you need to cooperate with others. Maybe Aries, you should work on your interpersonal skills this month. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be decluttering your living space. There could be some harsh energies. Maybe there's also black magic involved here. So you should be mindful of that. Maybe you should do some aura cleansing. This month, I'm also picking up that there could be home improvements. With respect to your love life, Aries, I have this card. I can't give up on my responsibilities right now. You know, the message is loud and clear. It's quite explicit. The person you're dealing with or the person you're romancing could be busy on account of work. I think you're somebody who desires commitment from your person. Maybe you're also dealing with someone who is an emperor, like maybe this person is quite mature and he's also insecure. Perhaps he thinks that he may not match up with you when it comes to looks or your beauty. I think you need to reassure him that the love that you have for this person is quite deep. In case you're in a third party situation, Aries, I think you could be dealing with a person who fears commitment here. Maybe some of you are also facing opposition to your romantic connection. Maybe family members aren't too happy with your growing fondness for this person. In case you're in an on again, off again relationship, then this is the best time to reconnect with your person. Nevertheless, Aries, this March, I think members of the opposite sex are going to be charmed by you. Maybe some of you also meeting someone on account of work or on account of your travel plans. I think some of you are also going to leave your admirers heartbroken. Maybe you're coming across as the emperor. Maybe the person thinks that you should give love a chance, but then you have your responsibilities. Perhaps, Aries, you realize that this relationship will not work. That is why this person could also view you as someone who is quite egoistical or somebody who thinks quite highly of himself or herself. Interestingly, from the Kipper card, we also have this card marriage here. So certainly marriage is something which is going to be discussed in case you're single or in case you're already in a committed relationship. You do want to settle down with your person. For some of you, it's also possible because this marriage card also talks about cooperation with another person in a business venture. So maybe you're also dealing with a person who is helping you out at work. Maybe an ex-flame could also reach out to you with a work offer. Another message in this reading is the victim card from an oracle deck here. So maybe Aries, in case you're in an unhappy connection, maybe you believe that you are being victimized or that this person is very dogmatic. You're also sacrificing yourself too much this month. I think the key here is to maintain a balance between your professional life and your personal life. I think you needn't fall prey to what others are telling, or in case there's an emotional downpour here, you should also follow your own instinct this month. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.